Aren't these flowers so pretty? It's so interesting. Look at them. So fluffy. Ugh. Reminds me of my cat's fur. So fluffy. These flowers are just too cute. Instead of like using animal fur, they can use flower fur for making things like sweaters or whatever. I don't know. This is so fluffy. Look at it. So I'm going to the park near our house because we are gonna have some guests over, and I kind of want to stay away from home. I am not in the mood to be dealing with guests. I hope they have a good time. Mom made some delicious food. I'll post the video of the food later on, but I'm going to the park and I'll just relax and read some book and eat some food. Aren't these flowers just too cute? See how fluffy they are? They are so fluffy. And after a few months, these things gonna be flying everywhere in the sky of Cheektowaga. Like last year, I remember these things were everywhere, like literally everywhere. So fluffy.